Door not opening? It's a common issue on VW, Audi, and other VAG cars. Today I'll walk you through how to replace the central locking unit on a 2008 VW Polo, passenger side. If your door isn't locking or unlocking properly, or you can hear the actuator clicking but nothing moves, this guide will help you fix it yourself. We'll go step by step, from opening the door, removing the door panel, swapping the locking actuator, and to testing everything before putting it back together. So grab your tools and let's get started. To open a stuck door, push the open and close buttons, and at the same time pull the door handle. Keep repeating. It might take 5 to 20 tries. Eventually the latch frees up and the door pops open. Start by removing the door handle cover. Use a trim tool or a small flat screwdriver to pop it out gently. Behind it, you'll find 2 torque screws. Go ahead and remove them. Next, take out the screws at the bottom of the door card. Once those are out, gently pull the panel outward. You'll feel the clips releasing one by one. Then lift the whole panel upwards. That will unhook it from the windowsill. Don't forget to unplug the connectors for the window switches and handle wire before setting the panel aside. You'll now see the metal barrier underneath. Open those plugs and take the window down till you see 2 10mm bolts. Unscrew them couple of rows. Push and pull, take out window glass up. Unscrew all those 10mm bolts around. Once those are out, find the electrical connector for the actuator. Press the small tab and pull it out carefully. Inside the door, you'll see the locking mechanism. That's where the central locking actuator lives. Remove the bolts holding the latch assembly on the edge of the door. Unclip connecting rods. That goes to the outside lock barrel. Now you can slide the latch and actuator assembly out through the opening in the door. It might take a little wiggle, but it'll come out cleanly. Here's your new central locking unit. Before fitting it, double-check that the part number matches your old one, especially if you ordered it online. Line it up the same way it came out and guide it into the opening. And finally, reconnect the electrical plug until it clicks. Before putting everything back, let's test it. Reconnect your car battery or turn the ignition back on. Use the key fob to lock and unlock the doors. You should hear the actuator working smoothly, and the latch should move freely. Also check that the door opens from both the inside and outside handles. If it's all good, great job. If not, double check your rod connections and the plug. Now we can reassemble everything. Reseal the vapor barrier to keep moisture out. Reconnect the wiring for the window and mirror switches. Hook the door panel over the windowsill first, then press around the edges until all clips snap back into place. Reinstall the screws, bottom ones first, then the ones behind the handle. Snap the handle cover back on and give the door a quick wipe down. And that's it. Your VW Polo's central locking unit is replaced and working perfectly again. This fix can save you quite a bit compared to the dealership, and it only takes about an hour once you know the steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more car repair tutorials and DIY maintenance guides, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.